Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your workflows on spreadsheets using Sheetgo. Sheetgo allows you to create them, edit, share and monitor your workflows very easily. So let me show you how it works. As you can see here, building these spreadsheets and managing them all connected to each other allows you to create workflows and never lose track of your data. We have provided several templates for you to not start from a blank canvas. Of course you can, but it's always easy if you can automate certain business processes with a little help. So as you can see here, we have plenty of templates to help you. Let us check out all the templates we have in our web application. Here we are inside the Sheetgo web application, where you will find your dashboard with all of your workflows, how it's connected. I will show you in our network view. So here you can see the amazing network view of all your connected spreadsheets and the workflows you created. So here you have an overview of every workflow. As you can see here, I've used some of our templates. So I'll show you how to make a new one. As I told you before, you can choose from these templates, but let me show you how to create a new one, a blank one. So you give it a name. For example, we're going to make a sales workflow. So there we go. We can start building our workflow by creating a connection between our data source. So you select your file. We will, for example, do our sales leads. We have the sales leads from our different regions here. So as data source, we can select one, but let us select the entire folder. So consolidate from a folder inside one master spreadsheet. So as a data destination, by default, it will give you a new spreadsheet, but you can change this destination to an already existing one, whatever works best for you, of course. And in the settings tab, you can give the connection a name, the automatic update it, filter it, append the data, transfer formatting, and so on. Then save connection and the system will create your workflow. There we go, the connection was updated, and by clicking View Workflow, you will have your network view. So as you can see here, the sales leads folder is consolidated into the master spreadsheet, the new spreadsheet that Sheetgo has created. So this is how you make your new workflow. Here you can manage the connections, you can even share with people or create new connections inside the same workflow. Going back to our different templates, I can show you how to install one of our templates. Let me choose, for example, our marketing KPIs template. Here we have some extra information on how to use it and what you will find inside this template, the dashboard. And by clicking this Use Template button, it will install inside your drive. There we go, it has installed the system, and as you can see in our network view again, here you see how the different spreadsheets are connected to your dashboards, your marketing KPIs. Let me open this one to show you how it works. It gives you a spreadsheet-based template where you can easily monitor in a dashboard your KPIs of the company. There we go. Creating your spreadsheet-based workflows is very easy and highly customizable, so it's a very easy way to monitor your data on technology you already know, and of course with the help of very nice templates. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and make sure to watch our other videos, particularly on how to install and use our different templates. Thank you very much.